All right, so in this video, I'm actually going to walk you through the purchase process in Walmart.com. So the first thing we're gonna do is scroll through Walmart.com and choose an item. And basically for this example, you may scroll and select any item that you would like. For this example, let's go ahead and select this toy here. So of course, when you find an item that you like, you open it up, make sure it's the item that you want. And you can see here the Walmart Plus advantages that you get as well. Once you've checked and everything is to your liking, you can go ahead and add the item to your cart. And then you're going to go into your cart, and at this stage you want to put the shipping address as your buyer's address. So you can go ahead and add an address. You're going to fill out your buyer's first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip code, and of course phone number. And this will all be provided to you over your eBay. Once you have your buyer's address filled out, you're going to go to the bottom and click on save. And once you have all of that filled out, you're going to go down and see your subtotal, which is $29.99. And then you have to pay the $5.99 because the subtotal is below order minimum, which is less than $35. Anything above $35, you get a discount of $5.99. So your estimated total comes to $35.98. If you are satisfied with this and you do have a profit at the end, you can go ahead and click continue to check out. Then when reviewing your order, you will have to put in the 3 digits that you can find in the back of your credit card. Then once you have all of that filled out, go ahead and select place order over on the left hand side at the top. After that, you will get your order number. Now, of course, if you are drop shipping this item, the tracking number does have to go to your buyer. You have to provide your buyer with this tracking number or order number. And if you're just ordering for yourself, this is the order number that you use to track where your shipment is.